I'm Cris Jankowski. I work for Bay County Department of Water and Sewer. I'm the IT manager. I've been here for 6.5 years. We wanted a GIS person, and we didn't have a position allocated in the budget, but we did have some money for education. And he just suggested, "Hey, well, are you interested in doing it?" And I thought, that sounds like a good idea. I don't mind learning new things. It's a great program. It takes you from the very beginning all the way through the end. It's well worth the investment because you're able to apply directly what you're learning into your skill. And it was nice to have the class and be able to use it at work at the same time, because I was able to take the skills I was learning and apply them directly to my position. And I was able to build the project as I went through the class. It made it reinforced what I was learning. Well, we use it mostly for our water distribution system. So we can see where the valves are in the system, fire hydrants, and then we can put information in there to track like the last time it was exercised. And then eventually we want to have curb stops for the shutoffs for the customers' homes. The drone we have is it's a DJI Phantom 4 Pro. And we got it primarily to be able to do inspections on water towers. At the wastewater plant, they apply sludge in the fields, and we have to verify that it's been applied correctly. So in the past, people would go out in the field and walk to make sure there were no puddles, that distribution was even, they didn't miss any areas, and now you're able to fly the whole thing in a matter of minutes. And it really does save time and money by making things more efficient. I think GIS in general is here to stay, and it's a very efficient way to use technology out in the field, and more people and more government institutions and more companies are using it. So it's definitely a growing field, and now is a good time to get into that. It's not going away, it's getting bigger.